if you didn't able to solve, then I will help you, or if you have solved, then I will go ahead. Tell me what do you want. Have you solved this question? And this and this. There were two questions. No, I cannot hear anyone. Whether you can hear me or not. Yeah, yeah, sure. No issue. Okay, so read the question. The letters of the word chalk are written in all possible orders. How many words are possible? So what is the answer for first question? Can you quickly tell me? That is quite simple. How many words are possible? One, one, two, three, four, five. Five factorial. Do you agree, everyone? Uh, is it 600? Five factorial is I think 120, no? It will be 5p5, no? There are five letters. Correct. So answer will be 5p5. What is 5p5 meaning? What? You are having five positions. Put the values 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That is same as 5 factorial, and that is same as 5 into 4 multiply. It will get 120. This is the answer of first part of the first question. Is that clear, everyone? How many words are possible? So there are 120 words are possible. Is that okay? Yes. Okay, good. What about next thing? If all these words are written down as in a dictionary, what is the rank of word chalk? Okay, nice. What do you think? If we are writing it in the dictionary form, then the first word who will come? Yeah. Okay, let me ask you one thing. Give me the number of words beginning with A. Can you give me number of words beginning with A? How many words are there beginning with A? So you're already having five people. You have fixed one guy here, that is A. So what do you think the answer is? 24. Do you agree, everyone? That is 4 factorial, na? This guy is fixed, so there are 4 factorial people. Correct? That is, that is you are having 24 words which are starting from A. Read your if you put it in ascending order, that is in dictionary form, then first word will be A, then you will get something C type. Correct? Do you agree, everyone? If you want to form a word with this one, so your value chalk, it will be after this 24 people. Do you agree? Yes. That means the word, it will be it will be after that 24 people. Correct? That is, you can say rank of chalk can be from 25 to 120. Can I say that? Total there are 120 words. So it will be between 25 to 120. Correct? Okay. Now can you tell me the second question, that is number of words beginning with C followed by A. How many words are there? You are starting with C. 3 factorial. Yeah, can you explain me why? If you are saying 3 factorial, that is absolutely correct answer. Can you tell me why? Okay. So first two places are already occupied. You are having three places. So for three places, you are having that is 3p3 answer. 3p3, that is 3 factorial. Is that clear, everyone? You are going in ascending order. Do you agree? You cannot put A here. You are fixing C. Yes. Do you understand? The first word is C, second word, sorry, second word is A. Correct? So how many possibility are there? These two positions already occupied. You are having six. Okay. Now what do you think? Where will this chalk will be? Now you have gone away. If you add 24 plus 6, that is total 30 numbers. 30 number will be covering these two part. What will be the next number? 31st number. What will be the next? Yes, at the place of A, it will be H. Do you agree? And after that, it is again in ascending form only. It will be A. And after that, L. That is again in ascending form. That is again in dictionary form. Do you agree? Yes. That is after this guy. Only I have to go one ahead, one step ahead. That means what? Chalk will have rank, that is total 24 plus 6 plus 1. Do you agree, everyone? What is this 24 plus 6? It will cover all the number from starting from A, starting from C up to CA. After CA, the next term will be CH. Correct? Yes. The next term will be CH, and these are already in the dictionary form. Do you agree? So total it will be, yes, yes, yeah. Yes, yes, yes. Actually, one more thing. Plus one will also be there. Correct. Before this, there will be CHAKL. Yeah, this is not in the form of it. Correct. So you will have to go two places ahead of that. Do you agree, everyone? You have fixed this thing. Now you have to see this A is already fixed. KL and LK. Before LK, KL will be there. Then it will be LK. Correct. Yes. Is that clear, everyone? So it will be total, it will be 32. Correct? Or you can write it like this, that is CHAKL. It will be of 31, and then if you want to go CHALK, that will become 32. Do you agree? Yes? Okay, good. What is the next question? Did you try? Number of arrangement of letter in the word failure if all the vowels in the word must be together. Okay, so let me just write the word first and see how many vowels are there. Okay, what are the vowels here? A, I, U, E. So there are four vowels. And how many consonants? How many consonants are there? Three. That is F, L, and R. Do you agree? How many are they? There are three people. Okay. Now, what do you want to do? You want to keep your vowels together. Can I assume this as a unit? That is, I'm keeping it in a packet, and now I will be seeing only four people. Do you agree? Yes. Here, three people will be occupied by consonants, and one people. This is collection of four people actually. I'll be considered this as a unit. Is that okay? So how many in ways this can be done? So there are now only four people. Do you agree? So that can be done in 4p four ways. That is 4 factorial. Do you agree? Yes. But now observe one thing. These four people which you are keeping in a packet, they can also interchange their positions. That means there are also four places and four people. That can also be done in 4 factorial. There are also four places and four people. That can also be done in 4 factorial. So total answer will be 4 factorial into 4 factorial. Do you agree, everyone? Let me just repeat once again. We just saw the number of vowels, number of consonants. So there are four vowels. I want to keep all the vowels together. So what I am doing, I am just keeping this is as a unit. Correct. So earlier there was three consonants. This one unit will be considered here. So there are four places, four people. That can be done in 4 factorial. But observe one thing, this we have considered this as a unit. They also can, they are also having four people and having four positions. Do you see? That can also be done in 4 factorial. So total answer will be, why multiplication? Because both the thing is possible and both the thing has to be happen. Is that okay? Yes, is that okay, everyone? Yeah, nice. Okay. So now let me start with the next thing. That is combinations. Permutation we have already seen. Now let us see combination. What do you mean by combination? Okay. It is denoted by NCR. Okay. Let me just write the definition. See, combination is just like selection. You are having n people, you want to select r people. That is what combination means. Correct? Yeah, that is, I will write if n things are given, and we have to choose, or you can say select r, where r is less than equal to n. Correct? Out of them, and the order is not important here. पहले किसको चूज करें ऐसा कुछ नहीं है यहाँ पे. See, remember one thing, in permutation order was important. We were saying पहले कौन आएगा, like that. You can see in the last example only. Such a selection is called NCR. That is combination. NCR, either you denote it by this, or in some books it will be denoted by NR, bracket NR, like that. Is that okay? So let me just write the formula. NCR is equal to n factorial upon r factorial into n minus r factorial. This is the formula for NCR. Correct? Okay. Do you see your permutation was also something like that only? Can you give me a relation between your permutation, that is NPR and NCR? What is the formula for NPR? NCR we just now see. Can somebody tell me what is the formula for NPR? Perfect. N factorial upon n minus r factorial. Correct. Do you see these, the same term is here in NCR? You see that? So what is the relation you got? NCR is equal to NPR upon r factorial. Correct? Yes. Yeah. This is the relation. You can also write it as NPR is equal to r factorial into NCR. ठीक है? Now let us see some results. What is NC0? Use the formula. What is the formula? N factorial upon r factorial, that is 0 factorial into n minus 0 factorial. What is 0 factorial? In the starting only I told you about this. 0 factorial क्या होता है? 1. So this is n factorial. This is also n. Do you see the answer is 1? Yes. And what is NCN? Same, apply the formula. N factor upon n factorial into n minus 0 n minus n factorial, isn't it? And this is again 1. Do you agree? Do you agree, everyone? Okay. Yes. Now observe one thing. I already talked about what do you mean by NCR, correct? You are having n people. You are having n people. You want to choose r people, correct? What do you mean by NC0? You are having n people. You don't want to select anything. That is your n people is as it is. So how many ways this can be done? That is one. You don't want to do anything, no? And what do you mean by this? You are having n. You want to select. You are having n people. You are to select n of them. So that means you want to select each of them actually. And here ordering is not important. पहले इसको लिया पहले इसको लिया ऐसा ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. तो आंसर will be 1 again. Yes. What is NC1? What do you think? Out of n people, you want to select only one guy. How many ways this can be done? Yes. So in how many ways this can be done? Either you can select first one or second one or third one or fourth one, like that. How many people are there? N people. Do you agree? Do you agree? Let us put the formula and check whether the answer is n or not. NC1, what is the formula? N factorial upon 1 factorial into n minus 1 factorial. Correct? N factorial, I can reduce it to into n minus 1 factorial. Divide by n minus 1 factorial. This n minus 1 get cancel, answer is n. Do you agree? Yeah, nice. Now I'll give you a trick directly to solve without using formula. That is ncr. What is the formula? That is n factorial upon r factorial into n minus r factorial. And remember one thing, your r is always less than equal to n. It cannot go more than n. Why it cannot go more than n? Because if you say you want to select 10 people out of 5 people, that is pointless. Do you understand? That is nonsense. You are having 5 people, you want to select 10 people out of them. That is that possible? No. Perfect. That is what I was saying. Okay. Now observe this thing. What about phi c2? Two of them, correct. If you put it in the formula, then it will be 5 factorial upon 2 factorial into 5 minus 2, that is 3 factorial. Can I write like this? And do you see, if I find phi c3, then what is that? 5 factorial upon 3 factorial into 5 minus 2, that is 2 factorial. Do you see both the term are same actually? This is multiplication only, na? This is not a problem for us. You can change the ordering. Do you agree both the terms are same? Correct? Yeah. Nice. So now I'll be stating something, that is NCR, that is same as NCN minus R. Is that clear from here? That is, I gave you just an example. You can prove it also. If you put it in the formula, it will be directly clear. At the place of R, put N minus R. So this will become N minus R, this will become R. That's it. Yes? Why this thing is important? Let me ask you. Let me do you. See, you want to find 12C10, correct? So if you go solving, then it will be quite difficult because this number is bigger, correct? But you just know that this can be written as 12C 12 minus 10. Is that clear? That is 12C 2. Perfect. Yes. Is that clear? Now one more thing. To solve, you, if you don't want to use all the time formulas, then I will tell you a trick. Whatever in denominator is, that is 2, write 2 factorial, that is 2 into 1. Do you agree? What is 2 factorial? 2 into 1. So there are two terms, reduce 12 up to 2 terms, that is 12 into 11. That's it. If you solve by formula also, you are going to get the same thing. Do you understand the logic? In the r term it was 2, so I wrote 2 factorial, that is 2 into 1. And here there are two terms, so I'll reduce 12 up to 2 terms, that is 12 into 11. What will be 12c3? First write the denominator term, that is 3 factorial. What is 3 factorial? That is 3 into 2 into 1. And what is in the numerator? There are 3 terms, na? So you have to reduce 12 up to 3 terms, that is 12 into 11 into 10. Is that clear? This is quite easy to solve. Mostly you'll be using this thing. Correct? Okay, now I can ask you something. Maybe. What is 18C15? Perfect, very nice. See, if you directly apply this formula, then it will be quite difficult because denominator it is 15, so you have to write 15 factorial in denominator. That is not good. But you can apply your this bracket trick, that is NCR is same as NCN minus R. So in this case, that is 18 c 15 is same as 18 minus 15. That is what 18c 3. What next? Can I put it now? Either use the formula or use the technique which just now saw. What is the thing? Here you are having 3, so put 3 factorial, that is 3 into 2 into 1. So in the numerator you have to write 18 into 17 into 16. Is that clear, everyone? This is easy to solve. Yeah, nice. Okay, one more result is there, that is, when do you say ncx is same as ncy? If you are given ncx is same as ncy, then two possibilities is true. That is, either x is same as y or x plus y is equal to n. Can you prove it quickly? The first one is true, that is ncx is ncy, then either x equal to y, then this is true. Why this? You already know something, that is ncx. If you are given ncx equal to ncy, but you know that ncy can be same as ncn minus y. Do you agree? So in that case also, this time and this term must be same, that is x must be same as n minus y, that is x plus y is equal to n. So there are either x equal to y or x equal to n minus y. Is that clear? Okay, these are the properties. Yeah. See, we are given ncx equal to ncy. So I just wrote ncx equal to ncy. When these two terms are equal, that is quite clear. Here you are having n, here we are having n. So one x must be y. That is quite clear. That is first part is okay. Is that clear? If you are having two equations, both will be equal if all the terms here and all the terms will look the same. That is, if x is same as y. Correct. Same ncy, can I use the technique, that is ncy is same as ncn minus y? Do you know this formula? That is ncr is same as ncn minus r. Correct. This is what I am using here, that is I am putting ncy as ncn minus y. Now again same thing, if you want to say these two terms are equal, then all the terms, that is on the upper part, what is that, they should be equal. On the lower part, what is that, they should be also equal. That is I am writing n equal to n and x equal to n minus y. So if you put x equal to n minus y, that is x plus y equal to, so you are having both the condition, either x equal to y or x plus y equal to n. Is that clear now? Yeah, good. One more result is there, that is ncr. Mostly we won't be using this type of thing. मैथमेटिक्स करते तो दैट इज ज़्यादा क्वेश्चन इस पे अपने को काउंटिंग पे रहता है, तो वी डोंट हैव टू स्ट्रगल दिस टाइप ऑफ. वन मोर रिजल्ट इज देयर, दैट इज एन सी आर प्लस एन सी आर माइनस वन, दैट इज सेम एज एन प्लस वन सी आर. इफ यू पुट इट द फॉर्मूला, then you will see both are equal. You can try, you start with left hand side, put the formula for ncr, put the formula for ncr minus 1. You have to prove that is same as n plus 1 cr. That is not a difficult task, I think. Okay, yeah. So let me ask you a question now. If you are given 20c r plus 2, that is same as 20c 2r minus 3, correct? Then find, first thing is find r, second thing is find 12cr. Can you do that? I'll give 1 minute, just try it by yourself. You are given 20c this is equal to 20c this. So what are the two possibilities you will get from here? Just now saw that If you have ncx that is same as ncy, then either x equal to y or x plus y is equal to n. Is that clear? So what are the two possibilities you will get from here? That is either r plus 2 is same as 2r minus 3, or anyone? Yeah, can you hear me everyone? Is this thing clear to you? There are only two possibilities, either this both the term must be same, or this term should be same as 20 minus this term. Correct? So what you will be having here, that is r is equal to 5. Do you agree? From here you are having r is equal to 5. And what about here? Solve it. That is r plus 2 that is equal to 20 minus 2r plus 3. So if you put minus 2r here, this will be 3r, and that will be what will be that? 21, na? So you are having two values, either r equal to 5 or r equal to 7. So now if you want to find 12cr, 12c5, what will be 12c5? Do you think 12c5 is same as 12c7? Yes, perfect. And which one is easy to solve? Whether it is easy to solve 12c7 or 12c5? Okay, is it 12c7? See, remember the trick. Yeah, 12c5. This denominator should be less, no? Then we will be having less division. Do you agree, everyone? If you are having 12c5, then in the denominator it will be 5 terms. That is 5 factorial. 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Correct? And in the numerator you will write 5 terms. That is 12 into 11 into 10 into 9 into 8. Is that clear? You just complete this, you will get the answer. Correct? Yes? Okay, nice. So I'll give you one homework here, that is find the value of n such that here again np3 is same as 6 times ncr. Oh sorry, r it should not be, it should be 4. Yeah, np3 is 6 times nc4. Will you do that? Just put the formula of np3, and just it will be calculating with the factorial. That's it. Okay. Yeah. So now let me ask you one more question. Suppose there are 10 questions. In a question paper, in how many ways can a student attempt 7 questions from the paper? Tell me. What is the answer, anyone? You are having 10 question, you want to select 7 question out of that. 10c7. Do you agree, everyone? That is quite simple. It was asking about selection. So you must know that is when it is asking about permutation, when it is asking about combination. When you are asking for selection, that is you want to select out of some people, then it is of combination. When you want to find arrangement, correct, then it is of the form of the permutation. Is that clear? Now if you want to solve, this will be same as 10c 3, and what is that? 3 into 2 into 1, and here it will be 10 into 9 into 8. What is the answer? 3 3s are 9, 2 4s are 120, no? Yes. Okay. Let me ask you one more question. Suppose a box contains 6 white balls and 4 black balls. In how many ways can one select select or choose 3 white and 2 black from the box? Will you try? How many white balls are there? Out of 6 ball, you want to select 3 balls. That can be done in 6c3. Very nice. Multiply by, what is next you want to do? Since there was and, that's why I'm putting multiplication. Do you agree? 4c2. Very nice. Yes. Is that clear, everyone? Yeah. There are 6 white balls. There are 4 black balls. You want to select 3 white balls that you want, that would be selected from 6 people, and you want to select 2 black ball that will be selected out of 4 people. You just complete this, solve it, and you will get the answer. What is this 63? That is in the denominator it will be 3 into 2 into 1, and in the numerator it will be 6 into 5 into 4, and here it will be 2 into 1, here it will be 4 into 3. Just complete it, you will get that answer. Is that okay? Yes. Now okay. ये मूवी का नाम क्या था? अ, कल टीवी पे आ रहा था। क्या था, स्पेशल 30 होता है ना? क्या था? आनंद कुमार का क्या था वो मूवी? देयर वाज अ क्वेश्चन बेस्ड ऑन दैट. What is the name? Super 30. Yes, Super 30. So this was the question. See, if अगर मूवी देखा है तो एक क्वेश्चन आया था उसमें. In a party, every person shakes a hand. Do you remember? पहले मूवी तो देखा है क्या? Oh, ठीक है फिर. If you see that there was a question, ऐसा ही कुछ था. In a party, if every person shakes hand with every other person present, if total number of handshake was 91, okay, then find the total number of person present. Super 30. Yeah, anyone you'd like to answer? So You want to find number of person present. You are given total there are 91 handshakes. Okay, provided we are considering you are shaking your hand with your right hand only. Huh? Yes. Suppose, let me ask you one thing. Suppose you are having n people, correct? Okay, let me see. Good. The number of handshake will be, if you are having n people and you want to find number of handshakes, how can you find that? See, this person can handshake with another guy in one ways only. That is, for handshake we require two people. Do you agree? Hello. So that means what? You want to choose two ka collection. You want to select two people out of this n people. That is same as NC2. Do you agree? That is out of n people. You want to choose two का collection करके अपने को side में रखना है. That is, we will be counting that number of handshake like that. Is that okay? आई कैन नॉट से साइड में रखना है. आई विल जस्ट काउंट. इसका इसके साथ करके काउंट किया वन, एंड इसको साथ में इसके साथ दिया तो दैट इज काउंट टू, लाइक दैट. So that will be NC two ways. Do you agree? And this is already given to you. That is 91. So now can you find the n? That is, what is NC2? नीचे क्या आएगा? 2 into 1. ऊपर क्या आएगा? n into n minus 1. That is equal to 91. Can you solve it? 91 to the 182. Very nice. How can you find n? 182 को factorize करो such that they should be product of two consecutive numbers. Fact. Oh, that's nice. So that is n into n minus 1 can be written as 14 into 13. Is that clear? First I am putting bigger number, then I am putting smaller number. That is important. Now observe that which is bigger number, that is 14 is bigger number. Here n is, so answer is n is 14. So there were total 14 people. Is that clear? Number of person is 14. Okay. Now my question is that if they have given you that there are 20 people, then can you find number of handshakes? If there were 20 people, then can you find number of handshakes? Yes. See, I have already given you a formula. Yeah, I just wanted to I just wanted answer in the terms of this. I have already given it the number of handshake formula. If you are having, yes, 20 C2, very nice. Out of 20 people, you want to choose two ka collection. That is 20 C2. Is that clear? Now you can ask this type of question to your friend. That is, if there are five people, so how many number of handshake will be possible? Is that clear, everyone? I think I have taken some extra time. I'll stop now. Thank you so much.